In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remote play Steam on PC to PC. Remote play lets you run a game on one computer, the host, and stream it to another, the client, so you can enjoy your library from a different room without reinstalling or moving saves. We'll walk through a clean setup to keep performance smooth and input responsive. Start by installing the Steam client on both computers and signing in with the same Steam account. For security, never share your credentials, and if Steam asks for a verification code, just approve it. On the host PC, make sure the game you want to play is actually installed. Both machines should be on a reliable connection. A wired Ethernet link gives the most consistent results, but a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi network also works. Close large downloads and heavy streaming apps to free up bandwidth. Now set up the host PC. Open Steam, go to Steam, Settings, and then Remote Play. Turn on Enable Remote Play. In Advanced Host Options, enable Prioritize Network Traffic so game data gets sent first, which helps cut down on stutter. Also match the desktop resolution to what the client will display. Matching resolutions reduces scaling overhead and typically improves clarity and latency during the stream. Move to the client PC and open Steam with the same account. Go back into Steam, Settings, Remote Play, and make sure Enable Remote Play is on here as well. If advanced client options are available, choose settings that suit your network and hardware. Balanced quality is a good starting point. If you notice lag, try lowering the resolution or bandwidth target. If your client is powerful and your network is fast, you can nudge quality upward. With Steam running on both machines, open the library on the client PC and find a game that's installed on the host. You should see a small streaming icon next to the play button. Click the drop-down or that icon, select the host PC, and Steam will pair the devices and begin the remote play session. Launch the game from the client. It runs on the host while video and input stream over the network. Keep the host awake and avoid sleep mode. Use full screen or borderless windowed for best capture, and enjoy your game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.